In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Align command in AutoCAD. This is an incredibly handy tool, especially when you're working on projects that demand precision and a high level of detail. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is select the object you intend to align. This could be any element within your drawing that needs to be accurately positioned in relation to another part of your design. Once your object is selected, you'll want to make your way to the command line and type Align, or simply enter the shortcut AL. After typing this, just press the Enter key to initiate the command. Now, with that done, you'll select a specific point on your object that serves as your first alignment point. Think of this as setting a cornerstone alignment for your object. Once you've identified this spot, you'll want to click on it and then proceed to identify a corresponding point in your drawing where you want this selected point to align. Click on this destination point to complete the initial alignment step. Next, you'll repeat a similar process with a second point. Choose another point on your object and, again, find the corresponding point where you want it to align in your design. Clicking these 2 points will already begin to shift your object into the new alignment. This 2-point process is generally sufficient for a majority of designs, ensuring that your object is not just positioned correctly, but is also correctly oriented. If you need extra precision, there's an option to align a third point. Although not always necessary, this can provide even finer control over the orientation of your object, especially if you're working in a complex drawing with intricate elements. Once you're satisfied with your alignment points, whether it's 2 or 3, simply press Enter. This final step instructs AutoCAD to apply the changes and adjust your object so that it fits perfectly with the alignment points you've selected. Take a moment to evaluate the results. Your object should now be accurately aligned with the intended location, ensuring your design maintains its structural and aesthetic integrity. Remember, practicing this command a few times will enhance your proficiency with Align, enabling you to produce more polished and professional designs. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using the Align command in AutoCAD. As you become more accustomed to using Align, you'll find that it greatly enhances your workflow, helping to produce designs that are both accurate and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!